welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to be pointing out some strange things in Animal Jam that I just happened to notice. So let me go on and get my daily spin. Okay. It's taking its time. Okay, so I got 100 gems, so, that's okay. Okay, if this is ever gonna load, I'm gonna pause the video so y'all don't have to wait for this. Okay, so I finally got it back, and before we get into it, I got a shout out request from Unicorn Boss, so go on and check out her channel. She's got some pretty nice videos on there. Okay, so let's see. It's been a while since I've been on, since the update. So let's go on and read the news. Okay, so this is the first thing that popped up on here, and it says Clydesdale horses are here. I'm just gonna point out that these things look really, really weird, like, I'm not exaggerating at all. If you have ever seen this, it looks like, look at the head. The head is like drawn so weird. Like, this is gotta be the strangest animal I've ever seen. So, that's that. So I'm going to go on and read it. It says, Clydesdale horses have arrived in Jamaa. These powerful horses are especially talented at pulling large loads, and they're ready to lend a hoof to their fellow animals. Do you need help moving furniture into a new den? Well, be sure to give Clydesdale horses a warm welcome this winter season and become one today. Well, sadly, I can't become one, Animal Jam, because you don't allow them for members or non-members. So, yeah. So let's see if I can see if anyone in Jamaa Township is using them right now. So no one is right this second. So yeah. So let's go ahead and read some. That's going to be the only one I'm going to read because I have to cut the video close again. So yeah. So some strange things that I'm just going to point out in Animal Jam is one thing. Let me go get it. Okay, it is this. I don't know if y'all can really see it, so I'm going to outline it for you. It is this little thing. I mean, it's supposed to be connected to the Soul Arcade or whatever, but like, it doesn't go at all with the theme. Like, for fall, that's fine, but like, not for winter, because there's like snow in it. So that is just one thing I need to point out. Now I have two more things I'm going to point out. So yes, let's go to this. So the next thing is there's this little like passage thing back here I did not know about until like just now. So you run back here and it takes you back here. So yeah. So that's that one, and we've got one more, and then I'm going to have to end the video. So it is this little thing here, and I will circle it for you if some of you all don't understand. It is this little building. Like, what is this? Why is this here? What is this supposed to do? So yeah. So thank all of you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell button, and I'll see you guys in my next video.